you soon. Oh my god, 1 AM na. I have to get up at 8. Thank you. What am I doing? Wala, being productive, guys. Working, doing some work para tapos na. Blue. Really? May balak ba kayo pumunta sa Cebu? Like MNL? I think they went. But I wasn't kasama. What the hell? 내가 힘들 때 울 것 같을 때 기운도 이제 나지 않을 때. I'm working, guys, so if non-verbal ako, I'm doing something. What's my keyboard? This one. It was a gift lang, so I don't know. Oh my god, you see you so nice. Albay. I wanna go to Albay. I wanna go to Bicol because I love spicy food. Really? Wait lang, guys. I'm working. So creamy sound keyboards. It's not that, you know. Hindi siya parang creamy. Ganda ba yung creamy sound keyboard? I don't know. Pero nonetheless, I love it. Still really nice. Oh, that's my alarm. Ito na ulit si Hating Gabi Girl. Ayan na si Small Dove, guys. Hala. Palagi ka ba nagla-live po? I try my best. Tanong niyo sila. Palagi ba ako nagla-live, guys? Really? Is it? Do you wanna hear more typing sounds? I know how to make matcha. I mean, like, not matcha itself, but like matcha drink. Sabi ng kapatid ko, masarap daw yung gawa ko ng matcha. So let's trust her. Be, matulog ka na po. Later, mga 1:30. I'm just gonna finish this. Actually, I can't sleep, but it's okay. I wake up late naman. Uy, hindi ako 25. Grabe! Ayoko na sa inyo. I'm just 18. No, but I'm not 25. Baby pa ako. Why not? Matcha is so good. I don't know. It's an acquired taste, I think. Kasi I like tea. So, I think because of this, I also like matcha. Heart is going, it's going, my heart is going up so I can sleep at night. Wait, guys. I'm trying to figure something out. Huh? Do you miss doing mall shows? Yes. Ganda ng nails. Thanks. I also like my nails. Hi! Stream ka typing test. No! No. I cannot. My nails are so long. You know what? Last week or last week, I played Valorant with my friends. And then, it was so bad. Look at my playlist. It's so nice. Diba ganyan yung controls? It was hitting the other keys. So what I did was, I removed the keys that was like hitting my nail. So, yeah, it's not slay, guys. Even na, nahihirapan ako mag-type. Pero ginusto ko naman to as a maarte girl. Ginusto ko to, guys. So, kailangan ko siyang panindigan. I'm going to eat. Eat well. $1:30 siguro mag-end. Or earlier than 1:30. I don't know. I gotta do something. How about you guys? What time are you sleeping? Antok na ako, B. Antok na. Sleep na pag antok na. Nangikit? Ano? Pikit na yata siya. Oh, kinulang na yung ano. I miss your red hair. See, ang dami nagpapabalik ng red hair ko, guys. What's up? Ang dami niya talaga. Like, hindi lang isa. Ang dami nagsasabi. Like, napi-peer pressure na ako. Bawal. Ano pa naman ako? Peer pressure person. I like this song. Spring Snow. Short hair. No! I don't want. I wanna grow my hair. Ano grade ng glasses mo? Magkaiba. Well, this one kasi, ang tagal na nito sa akin. But, yung grado ko, hindi siya na-change na 500, 550. Was there a time na nasita ka because of the red hair? No. In school, college na kasi ako na nagpa-red hair ako. Pero kung siguro high school ako, baka nasita ako. Pero, back in high school, my teachers know naman na MNL ako. So, pero nung high school ako, hindi naman ako nag-red hair. Pero ngayong college, ang dami ko sinabi, no, hindi ako nasita. Cause like, kahit magpakalbo ka, they don't care. Kahit mag-shorts ka, magpantulog ka, they don't care. So, yeah, I love my school. Okay na ba ngayon, okay na ba ang grado na yan? Para makita mo ako. Uy, grabe. Wait lang ah. I'm like literally working right now. So if I go like non-verbal, it means I'm focusing on something else. Really? Mataas yung astigmatism ko eh. So guys, if I don't like see you in person, I'm not snobbing you. I don't like doing that. So it's just that I just really can't see you all. Okay. Anong go-gilas belief? Grabe na. Ba't parang nagtugtog naman to kanina? Or ako lang ba yun? Stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way home. But I don't. The thing is, okay pa naman, pero like, you know, I don't wanna get it, like, you know, get a medical certificate for like legal blindness. Cause like, I might have problems in the future, you know. I still have to get my license, guys, so. But nabubuhay naman ako, hindi pa naman ako naka-aksidente dahil sa eyesight ko, so should be okay. Hindi pa naman ako nakaka-aksidente ng ibang tao. And I perform all the time with my contacts, so should be okay. Wala, yun na si Julius. Grabe, nalingat na ako ng 10 seconds. Yeah. So yeah, you know what? I wanna try na mag-drive sa EDSA. Wait, I forgot to say. Oh my god, nakalimutan ko. Yung itatype ko, guys. Ang ingay nyo kasi. Sinisi. Pressure 'cause I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just go back to the way it was. Why? My mom drives me. That's not true. Don't believe him. Cringe. Hindi ka ba hirap pag gabi tas nakatutok yung mga ilaw sa'yo kapag what? The thing is, I don't drive. That's the thing. I don't drive. I'm a passenger princess. So, there you go. There's your answer. I don't drive. And I don't want to drive. Who wants to drive? I mean, like, I just want to try it, pero like, not for a living. Just go. Magpa-drive ko. Why? I have my mom. Eh, kisa ganyan. Who? Can we get back to the way it was? Kaya na nga lang mag-usap dyan sa chat. Magtatrabaho na ako. Can we get back to the way it was? Ano problema mo sa iyakin? Ako ba? Are you... Low-key nagugutom ako, pero like, you know, I can't eat, it's 1 AM. Guardian na siya, guard. Decided not to make a change, stuck in the same old lane, going the wrong way home. What? Hello? So, ano gagawin natin, guys? Let's pretend he does not exist. No thanks. I can take a grab. Gosh, hindi ko maintindihan yung pinapagawa sa akin. Yan, tama yan. Yeah, I'm a strong, independent woman. I miss you too. Ay, grabe naman yung mga tugtugan. Grabe. Ba't sino nag-shuffle niyan? Nakaka-sore eyes. Basahin mo kami mag-iintindi. No, it's an Excel sheet. Oops, nag-message pala yung friends ko. How can I move on when I'm still in love with you? 'Cause if one day you wake up, late night relapse ba? Hala, sakit naman ang song. Bakit masakit? Charot. Ganito mga oras, dapat ganyan yung mga tugtugan natin, guys. You know, yung kahit hindi ka broken, ganun, diba? Look at my wallpaper. It's a picture of my cats. Tawag dyan music taste. Hi, 15 billion. Sakto. Dito ka na. Guys, tinatamad-tamad po ako. Wait, may picture na ako sa monitor ko. Green flag kapag cat person. Really? Oo. Yung hindi ka broken. Kaya parang boring kapag hindi broken, di ba? Like, di magpa-broken tayo. Hi, Prabhawota. Dapat kapag hindi tayo broken, tayo. Magpatugtog ng broken songs. Green flag. Ay, sure ka ba? I'm working right now. Ganda yung mga gusto kong tugtugan, yung mga like lumang songs. Natamad ako. Yes. I don't know. Ano kayang next song? Gusto nyo i-next song na natin? Julius, last week, iba yung siniship mo sa akin. Iba yung siniship mo sa akin. Ba't iba na ngayon ulit? Ikaw ha? Sino ba talaga? Hi, hello. Nag-emote pa. Sorry. Sige, emote ba? Relate ba kayo sa kanta, guys? Going back to the corner. Sleeping bed. Ano kayang next song? I'm so curious. What's the next song? Oh! Nikki! Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Hindi ka magdadagdag. Oh my God, sorry. Oo nga, parang ancient na yung mga sticker ko dyan. Right into you. No. Undergirls, that's for Undergirls. Anthem. Who hurt you? Hello! Ang boring pag wala kang crush, guys. Like, look at me. Kayo na lang ginugulo ko talaga. Cute ako palagi, Julius. What are you saying? How do I edit this file? Edit. Come see me when you first when you kiss me. Wish I were. What if drop ka ng cover ng Nicki song? Which one? Backburner. Hello! Actually, oh my God, kanina I was thinking, anong next song i-cover ko? Yung mouth ko na lang. Hindi kasi dati nag-cover ako ng Raining in Manila, Rhapsody, To the Bone. So I'm like, what's next? Wala na, ginost ko na kayo after nung last. Ayan na, nag-usap na. Hi! Pero I'm not a backburner, guys. Hindi na tayo papayag maging backburner. Ghoster ka pala, oo. Hindi na ghost ko kayo, guys. Pero ngayon, hindi ako naka-makeup. Pero ngayon, nagbabawi ako sa inyo. Nagla-live na ako medyo madalas. Dati hindi talaga ako nagla-live, like ilang months. Sorry. That's the worst. Ha? Mahilig naman ako. Lahat naman tayo yata mahilig sa red flag. How do I minimize this TikTok? It's so big. It's taking up my whole monitor. Ay, ako yan. Gusto ko yung mga sad songs. SZA ulit. Sige na nga. Si yung mga kantahan ko sa mga ganitong oras eh. SZA Kill Bill. I love SZA. Sad girl. Jamie natagbo ang sad girl. Yeah. I don't know why. Hindi naman ako sad girl like in real life. Pero yun ako kasi. Hindi naman, Kuya Unos. Gusto ko lang. Hindi kasi like, ano sabi ko kanina? I forgot. Magbalik. Ano ba yung no kasi, okay, na-remember ko na. Kasi pag palagi kang happy, edi yung boring naman. Dapat ma-realize mo yung ups and downs. Kasi how can you appreciate the ups kung hindi mo papagdaanan yung mga sad, diba? So, diba, dapat training rin yan, pang ano. Training, I'm so crazy. Pang-regulate ng emotions, diba? Para next time na totoong malungkot ka, alam mo na gagawin mo. That's so crazy. Yeah, dapat sad tayo. Wala lang, pero like after nun, happy na ulit. O, tinan mo, lahat tayo sad, tas si Angel nakangiti. O, tinan mo, lahat tayo sad, tas si Angel nakangiti doon. Tip ka na din. Ayun, so, hindi naman ako sad girl, but like, you know, it's so boring kasi, diba? So, why not mag-listen to sad songs and then, wala, kunyari sad girl, diba? Wait, ano yung isa-search ko? Oh gosh, I forgot. Yeah, kunyari sad tayo, guys. Like, yung mga tugtugan mo, mga ganyan. Wait, may sipon. May sipon. Or my nose is just itchy. Diba? Pero after that, okay, happy. Pag 10 p.m. onwards, kapag 10 p.m. onwards, sad girl. Uy, grabe. Oh gosh. Oh! May gilas? Saan ka nanonood? I wanna watch too. Anong quarter na? Dapat pala nag-stream tayo para live reaction. Watch party! Oo, pag 10 p.m. onwards. Kaya yung title ng live ko, do you know what time it is? Ganon. Third quarter! Di nyo sinabi sa akin. Kanina pa tayo magkakasama dito. Hindi ko alam. Need ko lang basahin yung old convo. Hala, si Kuya. Halftime lamang Pinas. Sino kalaban? Hi. Sino kalaban? Oo, may pasok pa ako bukas, guys. Sino kalaban? Wala to, guys. Hindi nyo na ako pinapansin. When the best part of me was always you. What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. Oh! Oh my God, ang laki ng lamang. Sana hindi ma-choke. Di yan. Let's go, Gilas. Woo! Natangkatin ng nose ko dito. I don't know. I think my skin is dry. God, I forgot what I was gonna type. Grabe. Wait lang. I'm working. Skincare routine wala. okay. Sorry. Guys, I gotta say bye. Mamaya-maya. She got freedom. Gege. Oo, may pasok ako later. 9 a.m. I'm gonna wake up at 8. I'm falling to pieces, yeah. Paid ba yung light? Wait, I wanna sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me. Coffee girly ka ba? Yeah. Ate Andy, miss you. I like coffee, but I'm trying my best. Thank you. I'm trying my best na hindi masyado mag-coffee kasi I don't wanna develop a coffee dependence. But I don't like sweet coffee. I mean like yung may mga sugar. Grabe naman yung tugtugan. Nikki, I like you. I love this song. Yeah. True. Yeah. True. Americano lang ganun. Meron ako dito isang litro ng iced Americano na andyan lang. Like, it's just ready for me to drink. Don't know what to say to you. There's nothing I can do. There was a time na I really love this song na everyday ko siya pinapakinggan. Huy! Totoo, 1 liter siya. Cafe Americano. It's from a Korean brand. Tas, isa siyang ganyan. So, I just pour it in my cup. Nabili ko siya sa grocery, guys. Tas, mura lang siya. Anong nangyari? Ba't ayaw mo na? Kanino? Hala! Hindi naman sa ayaw mo na. Like, wala lang. I feel like I just have to find time in the morning. No, it's not bitter. It's kind of... Wait, no, sorry. Ako kasi, mataas na yung... Yes, Edge. Mataas na yung tolerance ko sa parang bitterness ng kape. But, this one kasi, yung beans niya siguro very sweet. So, may konting sweetness siya and swabe lang for me. Yeah, you know what? I took a coffee making class last week. It was so fun. I tried to make my own coffee for the first time. Ang dami kong daldal. Coffee recommendations. The one that, anong beans yung ginamit ko last time? I can't find it. Nasa last week pa yun eh. Hindi ko pa na-vlog yun, pero nag-video ako gumagawa ako ng coffee. Hindi ko pa na-post yata. But yeah, I'll post. Well, I only tried making coffee with one type of beans. Wait, I'm gonna look for it. Here. Ay, wait, where is it? Oh gosh, hindi ko pala na-picturean yung beans. I didn't get... Ito pala. Brazil Cerrado beans. Cup proof, chocolate, caramel, mild, floral. So hard pala maggawa ng kape? Gusto ko sana mag-like start ng hobby na, kaso nag-matcha hobby na. I wanna try yung brew talaga na coffee or like pour over coffee. Pero kasi like, where would I put my equipment? I have a Dolce Gusto at home, but the pods are so expensive. So if you wanna make, you know, like, if you wanna make me happy, regaluhan nyo ng tea. Kasi guys, diba dati nung bata pa ako, like, nung nakilala nyo ako sa MNL, regalo, teddy bear. Ngayon, tsaa. Kape. Guys, the age. Hello, hi guys. Oh gosh. Well, ayun nga. So, Cebu. Yeah, I wanna go to Cebu one of these days. Lapit lang din. I mean, like, it's 1 hour, I think. Nakapasok ba si KQ? I mean, pinaglaro ba siya? May playing time ba siya? Meron? Ba? Yeah. Pero okay lang. If niregaluhan niya ako ng Kuromi toys, ma-appreciate ko pa yan. Ah, pinaglaro na si KQ. Pero grabe yung mga kakampi ni KQ, no? I don't have a coffee maker eh. That's the thing. I don't have a coffee maker. I don't have yung mga... Grabe naman yung tugtugan ko! Ba't naman ganun, guys? Okay, last song, tas matutulog na tayo. I mean, kayo lang, kasi I'm gonna work on this pa. No? Ang galing, no? Like, mga big names, grabe. Imagine mo, idol mo, tas kalaro mo. Oh my God! Slay! Uy, ano yan, Edge? Talaga? Kasi KQ, syempre, lagi ko nakikita. Really? Grabe yung mga tugtugan natin, guys, ha. Dapat ganyan na yung mga chill lang na tugtugan. Ganon, you know. Diba? Tapos ngayon Rihanna. What are you? Hoy! Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. What you gonna do? Give me up all night. Gusto nyo ba next song? Sabihin nyo lang. Last 2 songs, sige. Kaya ko naman, feeling ko kaya ko ito gawin mabilis. Really? Can you do that? Can you watch the practice ng mga PBA? DJ. Talaga? I didn't know that. That's cool. All night, Talaga? That's nice. Okay, next song. Grabe, Olivia Rodrigo naman. I don't like this song. Baka may umiyak. Favorite Crime by Olivia Rodrigo. Let's see the next song. Oh, Super Shy. Katy Perry, Teenage Dream. Taylor Swift. I love you, Taylor. Flamingo pink, sunrise boulevard, click, click. Diba? Yung playlist ko parang ganon. I told you guys. Pero parang isa lang yung down, wait, I forgot the word. Yung bottom line niya. Sad girl. Went straight to my head, got lovesick on my bed. Guys, 1:35. Bye na talaga. I have to do this. Diba? Ang weird. Pang weird. Like me. If you don't know this song, pakinggan nyo to. Oo. Hala, totoo. Parang siyang may kwento, no? 5 stages of grief. Oo, ganun ako. If I'm gonna be drunk. So, anong gusto nyo yung cover ko next? Yung moth ko na, no? Send the cold, he's waiting. Sticks and stones may throw bombs mid-air. Everyone wants him, that was my call. Ba't niyo ako tinatanong, guys? Pero yeah, totoo. I think totoo na kasi nabalita na siya eh. Nikki. Oh, my mom just texted. Why is my mom awake? Wait, mag-send lang ako ng picture kay mama. Ganyan, my reaction, ganun. Wait, nawala na ako. Secret! May chismis. Chismis! I love family chismis, you know. Do you like family chismis too? Yung may chismis ba yung family nyo? Like, nag-aaway ba yung pamilya? Like, hindi naman nag-aaway, pero may chismis ba sa pamilya nyo, ganun? Hindi. No, I don't collect Sunny Angels. I collect Sanrio. Yan tuloy, na-miss ko yung favorite part ko sa kanta. Wala naman. Diba? Might as well be drunk in love. Grabe! Guys, naka-shuffle to. I'm not controlling my playlist. Low-key. Wala talaga, guys. See ya. Put your phone on vibrate, let's catch your vibrate while the sun's down. Ulo! Nabaliw! Guys, mga ganitong oras talaga. Lumalabas yung pagkabaliw ko. Gising mo kayo. Sino si Emerald 48 Lani? Isa lang playlist mo? Hindi, madami. As long as I keep this. Madami akong playlist. Meron din akong P-pop playlist. Meron akong MNL, like, MNL playlist, ganon. So, oh god, the antok is kicking in. But I can't be antok, cause huy! Anong huy? Uy! Ay na! Huy! Huy! Long time no see! I miss you! No, I'm not gonna play Valo. Matutulog na ako in a bit. Huy! Anong collect? Huy! Anong collect and select? I miss you too! Inaantok na ako, guys. Like, bakit ako inaantok? Late naman ako gumising. Sa playlist. Let's not think too... Bakit in real life? Bakit hindi, diba? Diba? Ba't hindi? Pag single ka naman. Hello? Ayan, guys. Kung meron akong like 1K para sa tao magsabi, Jamie, pared ka na ulit ng buhok. Mayaman na ako ngayon. Red flag. Ginawang Pokemon. Aw, sorry. Di ako nakapag-live kasi nagpahinga ako for the past week. Okay, guys. Last song. Promise. And then mag-sleep na kayo. I'm not gonna sleep yet. Stray Kids. Bakit ako may Stray Kids dito? Ay, ito. Gusto nyo ba to as our last song? From Nevertheless na K-drama. Isa ka ba sa nagbibigay ng mixed signals? Let me think. Next. Oh! Uy! Josh! Ayan na naman. Ito na lang ba? Hoy, narinig ko to live. Grabe, nakakaiyak. Kala ko talaga, may mamahalin siya. Pang red flag na K-drama. Yeah, panoorin nyo yun, pati yung Duna. Like my favorite K-dramas. Yung mga pang red flag. Ganun. Kasi nakakakilig. Hihirapan kahit lungkot tumaraan. Ayoko naman na sad song yung last song natin, no? Wag na nga. Next song. New Jeans dito. Wide Awake Katy Perry. Ayan na yung Take a Chance with Me by Nikki. Next. So, kanina pa tayo nagni-Nikki. Ito na lang last song. My favorite SZA song. Grabe, ako na yung nag-decide sa sarili ko. Last song. Grabe, pag nagsasad girl ako, ito talaga yung favorite song ko, guys. Ini-influence ko ba kayo sa sad girl movement ko? Tumunan na si girl. Si girl ay ako. Diba? Samahan ng mga sad girl na walang crush. Real. Thank you, Ira sa Roses. Ang dami nang hihingi ng playlist ko. Ayoko nga. Gagayain niyo ko eh. Charot. Gagawa na ba ako ng Emerald 48 Jamie playlist? Bye! You know this. Choking on insecurity. I know this is bad. Please, but at least show me anyway. Who needs self-esteem? Oh, nakakanta ko na siya nang nakangipin. Please. Sige, I'll think about it. No, you can't know my Spotify. Pero naka-premium na ako, guys. Oo, I'm gatekeeping my playlist. Pero gusto nyo bang ilista ko sa inyo yung top 10 songs sa playlist ko? Hindi nyo makahanap yung Spotify ko, guys. Okay. My playlist has 293 songs. Oh my God. Okay, so 1, I Like You by Nikki. 2, Na 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 by Beanie. Hala! So meron siyang 293 songs. So dilista ko yung top 10. Tapos siguro sa next live yung next 10. Kasi naman maglistahan tayo dito ng mga kanta, no? I Like You by Nikki. Na 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 by Beanie. Umaasa by Kaling. Grabe! Umaasa by Kaling. Raining in Manila by Lola Amor. Gusto by Zakta Budlo featuring Al James. Bad by Wave to Earth when it wasn't cool yet. Light by Wave to Earth. Fallen by Lola Amor. Old Love by Yuji. Daydreamin' by Ariana Grande. Sige, top 15 na lang. Loki by Nicki. Nevermind by Denise Julia. Grabe, ba't ganun? Gusto niya yung last 10 na lang. Kasi parang corny yung mga una eh. Isa lang by Arthur Neri. Akin Ka Na Lang by Itchy Worms. Ako Na Lang by Zia Kizon. Wait, harap tayo ng random kasi naka-chronological order. Punta tayo sa last songs. Guilty as Sin by Taylor Swift. Ba't puro Taylor Swift man? His Car Isn't Yours by Wendy. Red Bone by Childish Gambino. Naghanap ako ng random. Ay, hindi! Ganito na lang. Bigay kayo ng number. Ang daldal ko! Hindi na ako nakapagtrabaho, guys. Pag ako talaga na fire. From 1 to 294. 3 pala. Bigay kayo ng number from... Okay, wait. Okay, Sid. 14. Di ba nabigay ko na yun? Nabigay ko na! Yata. 14. Ako Na Lang by Zia Kizon. Wait, ang dami. 18. Talk That Talk by Twice. 12. Loki by Nicki. 25. Habang Buhay by Zakta Budlo. 245. Wait. Scroll down tayo. 245. Kiss It Better. Kiss It Better by Rihanna. Wait, where was I? Hello! 47. Ang arte ko. 47. Wait. Ang dami kasi nito eh. Lover by Taylor Swift. Wait. 291. Walang ganun. Ay, may 291 ba? Ay, meron pala. Di Na Mababawi by Sponge Cola. Oh, I love that song. 25. Di ba nasagot ko na yan? Nalilito na ako, guys. 25. I did not. Zakta Budlo. 88. Palusot ko yung Maybe by MNL 48. Hi, Jamie. Ako yung junior. Hello po. Salamat, kising pa po kayo. Grabe. Yung audition ko. Ay, next time ko na ikikwento yung about sa audition ko sa MNL. Super, I was so shy. Kala ko hindi ako makakapasok kasi wala talaga ako experience sa singing. Anong ready? Nang what, Dusty? Hi. Ala, guys, mag-e-end na ako. Like, sorry sa mga bago natin. I'm about to end. Love, matulog na. Guard! Hair? Wag re-dye? Like, what do you mean? You wanna dye your hair again? Pwede naman. Ano na score, James? Last, nabigay kayo ng number from 1 to 293. 4 pala. Ay, 3 ba or 4? 3 lang pala. Yeah, my attention span is so ikli. I cannot. It's because of TikTok. Yung last, 293 is I Think I Did by Kim Hyung-jung. Nung isang araw ko lang to napakinggan. Tapos ang ganda niya. 112. Last na to I need to work na talaga. Facebook Friends by Nicki. 100. Yours by Nicki. Tips for red hair. Buy red shampoo. Like, that's the best tip I could give you. Buy red shampoo. Don't go swimming. Don't go to the beach. Don't wash your hair every day. I mean, don't shampoo your hair every day. Gilas lamang, we cheered. Yeah, poor Nikki. Huy. Ito pa. Okay. Bye, guys. Pero before I say bye, listen to this. Midnight Sky by Unique Salonga. Okay. Bye. I gotta go na talaga. Thanks, guys, for tonight. Sorry if I kept you up. I hope matulog na kayo, but I won't sleep yet. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna go live. I don't know. I have pasok tomorrow. Kailan ka babalik? Wala, lagi lang naman ako nandito. Hopefully, one of these days, mag-live ako ng hindi ganitong oras kasi not everyone is awake at this time. Bye. Thanks, guys.